In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the option that allows sites to check if you have saved payment methods in Microsoft Edge. This is a simple setting, but it can be really useful if you shop online and want websites to quickly detect whether you already have a saved card available. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From there, click Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can control different browser options. On the left-hand side, find and click Passwords and Autofill. This section is where Edge stores and manages your saved personal information, including passwords, addresses, and payment details. Next, click Payment Methods. Now you'll see the payment settings for Microsoft Edge. Here, you can manage saved cards and choose how websites interact with your payment information. Look for the option that says Allow sites to check if you have saved payment methods. To turn this feature on, simply toggle the switch to the enabled position. Once it's on, supported websites can check whether you have a saved payment method stored in Edge, which can make checkout faster and more convenient. If you ever want to turn this off later, just come back to the same place and switch it off again. And that's all there is to it. You've now enabled Allow sites to check if you have saved payment methods in Microsoft Edge. If this tutorial was useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful browser tips, and I'll see you in the next one.